Okay, just tell me. Savita, where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm married to a Gujarati, so we have shifted here to Ahmedabad.
Okay,
My name is Rashnikant, and we've been married in December 2000, so it's been now 11 years.
okay,
And we were desperately looking for a child.
okay,
After waiting for a few years after marriage and she could not conceive, we decided to go for an IUI.
okay.
We went through about 8 IUIs
Mm-hmm.
in a brief period of about 2 years.
Okay,
After that also she did not conceive, so then we actually gave up, and we thought, maybe God doesn't want us to have a child, so we
okay,
actually gave us hope. I mean, we didn't go for any other IUI, and in between what happened, she also had a problem of hip,
mm-hmm.
wherein I think Savita can explain that.
Yeah, I had to undergo a replacement therapy.
Okay,
So after that, we somebody suggested that we go for IVF.
mm-hmm.
So we took the decision to get IVF done.
So was it easy for you to mentally prepare for IVF or
No, first it was slightly difficult, but I had to, mentally prepare myself,
okay,
and we went through this IVF thing um, with a great hope that
okay,
God is with us
okay,
and we will be rewarded.
okay? And what was your experience about IVF? Was it really painful? Was it really cumbersome or anything?
It was not really painful, but we had to take a lot of injections and all that. But I was mentally prepared,
Yeah.
so it didn't make a lot of difference to me. But
Okay.
after seeing my baby's face, I forgot all what
Yeah.
I went through.
And you are succeeded after first attempt only, or you have to go for
Yeah,
a.
I was. It was my first IVF thing. I
Okay.
had done IVF only once, and God rewarded me for that.
Okay. So you have conceived after the very first attempt, and that's why you are very much happy. But suppose we have a lot many patients, we have to go for a few more trial. All are not lucky like you.
Correct.
So what is your message to them?
My
Should they
only
continue their treatment or?
Yes, my only message is they should not lose hope, because I have heard that some people uh, um, conceive in one or two attempts.
Yeah, maybe some require 3 4 attempts,
Yes,
but ultimately it is the baby, it is our say child what we want at the end of the treatment. If we see, as you said, our baby's face, then all our pain and difficult time and worries
It's forgotten.
is forgotten after all. So after IVF you have conceived, and what was your experience regarding IVF pregnancy? Say 9 months of the IVF pregnancy.
actually, luckily, I was very lucky. I did not have any vomitings or anything. I was feeling it was like a normal pregnancy only.
Or normal life only, not
Normal,
even
very,
Normal
pregnancy.
life,
very
not even
normal.
pregnancy.
Right. So people are saying that IVF pregnancy is a very difficult pregnancy. You have to be very careful for 9 months. You have to take injections for 9 months. You have to look for this and that, and it is very tough time for 9 months. So what is your say message?
Yeah, basically you have to take care. Even in normal pregnancy also
Right.
you have to take care.
Right.
But I felt as if it was a normal pregnancy only.
Okay. So nothing special, say for 9 months during IVF pregnancy. Am I right?
Actually, we recommend that couples should take, I mean, for the lady, once the IVF treatment is done and the result is positive, it is recommended that she takes rest, because that is the, once she gets the positive result, all is that she has to wait after 9 months, to get the news of her child.
Yeah, and it
And
is.
it is important to take rest. Why should she take a risk, rather than losing the baby in between, or, maybe undergoing a miscarriage, or, to avoid all this, it is important to follow doctor's instructions very strictly, and take ample care of oneself, so that there are no problems during the pregnancy stage.
Okay.
So we recommend that they should take rest.
Okay, so you had been in care of now Planet Women, this center, up to 9 months. So, what was your experience about this center?
I am grateful to Dr. Mehul Damani and Sonal Damani because they have taken care of me, and the hospital staff is also good, and the doctors are really very caring. So it was like, I am visiting my home only
Okay.
every
And,
time.
and what I would like to share is, in fact, I've got a few friends whose wives are
Pregnant.
pregnant. In fact, and they've been going to some big hospitals in Ahmedabad. I don't want to name them,
Mm.
but what they say, they share their experience with me, is that the doctors, actually don't even tell them in detail actually what exactly is going on, or what's the situation of the baby, or I mean, what experience we've got in Planet Women. I feel it was the right choice coming to Planet Women rather than going to an expensive hospital and spending more money. It doesn't really make any sense. So I recommend everybody Planet Women.
Okay, and Savita, you had undergone after 9 months. We have done cesarean section to deliver the baby, right?
Yes.
So, what is your experience about cesarean? Still, there are myth in our society that cesarean is a bad thing. We should not go for a cesarean. There are a lot of problem attached to cesarean section. We have to take months of the rest. So, what is your idea?
And the cesarean section is also good. Suppose if people are not delivering naturally, so I felt that cesarean is also a good option only because it was not very difficult for me.
Okay, and you were discharged, I think, from the third day, I think.
Yes.
So, was it painful to go home at the third day, or
No,
don't?
not at all.
Not
For
at
me,
all,
it
right?
was like normal only.
Normal only. Okay. Any other remarks?
No, it's just my advice to all the ladies who have not conceived, to have faith in God, and that's the most
Science.
important. Have faith in science, have faith in God, and I'm sure everybody would be blessed with a baby.
Okay. So nice of
Every
you.
woman has got a right to be a mother, so just keep hope and be positive.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.